universe does those things.
So today I'm so excited. I got this thing called Fidget Cube. I've seen a few people talking about it. So supposedly it is this cube with different like buttons that you can fidget with, and it helps you like with anxiety and helps you pay attention and stuff. So I got it and I'm gonna open it with you guys. So this Fidget Cube right here, and then right here has like, see, like you can flip this one, spin this one, click this one, breathe, I don't know why it says breathe, roll, and glide. So let's open it. Oh. And there's a sticker on it, I think green because it is green.
Drink too much, and that's an issue.
Okay. That's my mom. So this one is like a little thing on the controllers you use when you have an Xbox. And it just wiggles. And then this is like a light switch. Makes a noise. This one, I think you put your finger here and that gives you a better thing to spin it, but this one is a spinner. And these little things like a dice.
Alright, I ain't staying up all night to do this.
And this one, ooh, this one makes a different sound. Sorry. Oh, there's that one.
Are these some tools that are coming on now?
Yep. And then there's these rolling ones with the breeze one that they said, and then there is, what do these ones do? Roll. It says roll. So yeah, so bye guys. Just wanted, oh, one more corner. The thing where you can put your thumb. Okay, so bye guys. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, then dislike it. It's okay. But comment what video you want to see next. And bye. Okay, I'm ready.